This is my 2003 Bonneville. It's the 790 Hinckley, the one with the carburettors and the oil cooling. I've had this bike for nearly 2 years now, and I must admit it is a fantastic bike. It's all that I hoped it would be, but there's one thing that's bothered me ever since I've had it. There's no protection under the front of the bike, which is where the starter motor is, and if you go out on a bad day or muddy road, it's absolutely plastered and it's taken the paint off and it's corroded it. And I wanted to get some sort of form of protection for this. There are all sorts of different kinds of bash plates, sump plates that you can buy for this, and they start at about 70 quid and go up to 200, but they've all got one basic failing: they've all got holes in them. So I was watching one of my favourite YouTube channels, which is Racer TV, excellent channel by a Portuguese guy, and on there he showed a cafe racer where they'd put the number plate on the front of the bike, and I suddenly realised this would be an option as a good splash plate. So in England, modern bikes don't have a number plate on the front, so therefore I wasn't going to chance it by actually replicating the number plate. So I've put on here 790, because it's a Hinckley 790, and the year 2003. And I'm fairly confident that this is going to make a good splash plate. My main problem was trying to actually figure out how to fix it, because there's no way you can get tools or your fingers in behind where it should go. So I've resorted to a Meccano bracket with a speed fastener, so you can slide the bracket in sideways and then put the bolt through and screw it up tight. I think that looks really cool. I put a couple of cable ties in there just to make sure that it can't rotate. I bought the number plate from eBay, and it's classed as a not for road use plate, so it's absolutely perfect for this. And it was only £12, and it's pressed aluminium, so it should last quite a long time.